53.
15.53 is the mass. Okay. And table number 1.
Thanks
Grains.
for putting that out.
Yeah, I mean, it's a lot easier. I was like, oh, why didn't I do that? Okay, so transfer vinegar into the clean flask.
Okay.
Add 2 drops of this fancy stuff to the vinegar. 2 drops. Oh, it's in the flask. Alrighty. 1, 2.
Swirl.
And transfer approximately 10 milliliters of the sodium hydroxide to the small cup. This solution will be used to fill the syringe.
I think we're gonna run out of
I think so.
it. Yeah, we don't have 10 milliliters though. Unless we got another bottle somewhere.
Transfer approximately 10 centimeters. That's a small cup.
Stuff in that too.
No. Well, we do this one and we go from there. We'll let them know. We exhausted all of our solution
Yeah.
in the previous one. But we're not going to use it all because it transfers to a syringe, fill a syringe, and record the initial volume. Yeah, it's going to be by the 0.1, so I don't think we're using the whole 10 milliliters.
Okay.
Because it says fill the syringe with the solution, record the initial volume. Let's see here, place the flask, add from the syringe in 0.5 increments. So yeah. Hopefully it's the last slide that we have to use.
Mm-hmm. Okay, where did the syringe? Here it is. Okay, 0.5 of each.
Okay, so it says transfer the 10 milliliters, fill the syringe, try to minimize the air, and then record the initial volume of the solution in the syringe to the nearest 0.1 into the data table. Volume of vinegar density,
Okay, I have 2.5 in here.
2.5 in the syringe. So it says initial and then final. 1 second. Record mass, transfer, add drops, transfer, fill the syringe, record the initial volume of solution in the syringe, which we did. Place the flask containing the vinegar on the white sheet of paper. The white background will make the color change more noticeable. Okay, add NaOH in 0.5 increments, swirling the glass with each addition until color change persists for a few seconds.
Okay. So
Okay.
0.5.
And then swirl.
Okay, that's 0.5. Oh, thanks. 7.5.
It says once the endpoint has been reached, then we record the data.
Yeah, that's the whole 2.5.
Okay. And then we measure it. I mean, we have to see what we have left in there.
So,
Oh, we use all of it?
yeah, well,
So
I
we use
got
the
some
whole.
more here, I think.
No, I'm saying for the syringe, what it's asking is if we use the whole 10.
The whole 10 cc's?
Mm-hmm. The
No,
10
I
milliliter.
only drew it 2.5.
Okay, got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I think we're
Mhm.
fixing to run out, so.
So let's see, where can we find NaOH at the store? Does Target sell it?
I don't know. That's gonna be a hard find.
Walmart? No, that's antacid formula.
Okay, it's another 1.5.
Okay.
Okay, that's 0.5.
It's not staying, huh?
That took a while.
It's almost there.
Yeah, you can still see it.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. That's what we have.
Okay. That's it. It said for a few seconds.
Yeah.
So that would work. We'll record that data.
It's still there. You can still see it.
Mm-hmm. So that would be persisting.
Yep.
Okay, let's record it. And that was another 1.5, you
Yeah.
said. So that made it to 4.
Yep. 3, 4. Yep.
Okay. Once the input has been reached, we calculate the total volume, dispose of the titrated vinegar sample in the sink, rinse the flask with water, and repeat steps 1 through 16 for vinegar columns 2 through 3 on the data table.
So the volume
Okay,
of
so it's the
vinegar is
same
4,
thing.
right?
Yeah.
Moles.